Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. Today we are making egg Shami burger, which is a famous street food. So let's start how it makes. Cut him like this in thick slices because for egg Shami burger you have to cut him in slices. Now we are going to cut a cucumber. Cut him just like that. You have to cut him in large slices and then thick slices. And put in a bowl and then mix it well. Because it is necessary for egg shami burger. Now add egg in the pan. We're going to fry the egg. Egg is ready. And you will have to take one shami kebab and you have to warm it on pan. You have to warm the bread. We have a paste in which we have added chili garlic ketchup and mayo, and then you have to mix it well, and then you will spread on the burger. Now add paste on the burger, spread him gently. Hope you will like this video and enjoy our video. Look, it's looking so tasty and yummy. Hope you will like our video. Please leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe our channel as well. Thank you so much.